Hello everyone, Sean Edom and Aaron Bradford here. We are students currently enrolled in NDSU and are bringing you all a presentation video from ECE 320, Electronics 1, on homework number 4. The demonstration takes place on the third portion of the assignment in which we are asked to design a transistor switch circuit. The circuit must be capable of using a cell phone to turn on a 3.1 volt at 300 milliamps white LED when plugged in and turn off the LED when unplugged. The circuit must be capable of either 0 or 3.3 volts input capable of 5 milliamps. When the input is 0 amps will flow through the LED, and when the input is 3.3 volts, the LED has 100 milliamps flowing through it. This is basically saying that when the input is 0 volts, meaning the phone is unplugged, the light is off, while when it is at 3.3 volts, meaning the phone is plugged in, the light is on.
As you can see here, we have our NPN transistor going off of our 3.1 volt diode, and we have 3.1 volts at the source, and we're using our phones at 3.3 volts and 0 volts across a resistor that we determined to be something less than 2,600 ohms. So we used a 2,000 ohm resistor. Alright, and over to part sim, you can see we used a IN5226B Zener diode. This is a 3.3 volt drop with 0.5 watt power. And in this first section, you can see that the source where the phone would be is 0 volts, therefore not allowing the transistor to open and having a 3.3 volts nodes across the Zener diode and having no light on. This next one, you can see we switched that source of what the phone would be to 3.3 volts at max, allowing that transistor to open up or close up and allowing the voltage drop across that transistor or diode, the light diode, and allowing the light to turn on.
Alright, so what we have here is our circuit in accordance to our diagram. Now in place of our 2K resistor, we're using a variable resistor set to 2K. And as of right now, we are using the variable power supply to simulate our phone source. Now when we turn it on, set it to 3.3, the diode is now on. Before it was off, so that's why you didn't see the light was on. Again, if we turn it off, the light is off again.